Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open up a savings account with the ANZ Bank in Australia. Now you do have to go to anz.com.au first before you can do this. So once you're on this page, at the very top here where it says personal, if you tap on this and then you go down to bank accounts, tap on this option. Now from here you're just going to scroll down and there's going to be three options. So you've got ANZ Plus, Access and then Online Saver. So over here on Online Saver, click on Find Out More. This next page is going to load. Now if you keep scrolling down to the bottom, there's going to be a green Apply button. So you're going to tap on this. Now once this page here loads, you do have to make sure you fit the criteria. So older than 12 years old, Australian resident, etc. If you fit this criteria, then you obviously can select a single or joint account if you bank with us already or not. Or if you're a Commonwealth Seniors Health Card, just read through the details, click on continue, and then that will take you through to the options and you fill in your details and then you'll be able to open up your savings account with the ANZ. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.